kids, welcome back to XoraTale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter F. Are you ready? Let's go! F for fish, F for fish. F for frog, F for frog. F for fox, F for fox. F for flamingo, F for flamingo. Let's repeat it again. F for fish, F for frog, F for fox, F for flamingo. F for fan, F for fan. F for fence, F for fence. F for fork, F for fork. F for fridge, F for fridge. Let's repeat it again. F for fan, F for fence. F for fork, F for fridge. F for flower, F for flower. F for forest, F for forest. F for fire, F for fire. F for feather, F for feather. Let's repeat it again. F for flower, F for forest, F for fire, F for feather. F for farmer, F for farmer. F for firefighter, F for firefighter. F for fisherman, F for fisherman. F for fairy, F for fairy. Let's repeat it again. F for farmer, F for firefighter, F for fisherman, F for fairy. F for family, F for family. F for friend, F for friend. F for face, F for face. F for fingers, F for fingers. Let's repeat it again. F for family, F for friend, F for face, F for fingers. F for fruit, F for fruit. F for fig, F for fig. F for french fries, F for french fries. F for food, F for food. Let's repeat it again. F for fruit, F for fig, F for french fries. F for food. F for flag, F for flag. F for fork, F for fork. F for fan, F for fan. F for frame, F for frame. Let's repeat it again. F for flag, F for fork, F for fan, F for frame. Now let's play a fun game. What is this swimming in water? Yes, F for fish. What is this animal that jumps? That's right, F for frog. What do we use when it's hot? Yes, F for fan. Who grows crops for us? Exactly, F for farmer. What do we eat when we're hungry? Yummy, F for food. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter G.